Hi, everyone. So, unfortunately, I cannot be in class today. Um, my daughter gave me strep throat as a nice little present this weekend. Um, so, I'm making this video to just go over the final project with you. Um, I'm going to start with the agenda and then I will walk you through all the other steps. Please watch this whole video to understand what is expected of you. I will be in school on Friday and I need you to get through steps 1 through 4 today. So, today, what you're going to do is you are going to watch this project overview. You're going to choose an article to read off of a list that I will show you. You're going to summarize that article, and then you're going to identify the enduring issues you see in that article. There'll be an exit ticket for you to complete at the end of the block. All right, I will look at those exit tickets. I will conference with you on Friday one-on-one to make sure that you have reached steps 1 through 4, and I can help you with steps 5 through 6. And then next week, you will complete your final product. Your whole project is going to be due on June 11th. Your planning sheet will be due on June 8th. This is a 60-point assignment that will be in tests and quizzes. So it is twice the size of any test you've taken this quarter. All right. So here is the directions for your here are the directions for your project. So what you are going to do is you are going to choose a current event, an issue that you care about, and connect it to what you learned this year in global. Then you're going to create something to show off what you learned. So you have a variety of articles to choose from. I do want you to choose something you're interested in. So just a quick overview of what's here. This is the attack on the US Capitol from January. This is an article about plastics and recycling. Um, this is about racial inequality in the United States. This is Road to Ruin is about our crumbling highways and the role of climate change. Um, the death of George Floyd, and the conviction of Derek Chauvin, who was the officer. Is big tech too powerful? The companies like Google and Amazon and Facebook, do they have too much power? Do they know too much about you? The plight of the Rohingya Muslims. They're a group of Muslims who are facing violence in South Asia. And then those are all on upfront. You have a subscription there. And then these are articles from Newsela. So our U.S. troops are being withdrawn from Afghanistan. They've been there since 2001. That Ever Given was that boat that got stuck in the Suez Canal. This is about bringing COVID-19 vaccines across the world. So you can choose whichever article you want to read. Once you have read one of these articles, I want you to write a 6-sentence paragraph. Who, what, when, where, why, right? Those are the questions you want to answer. Who is the article about? Where is it taking place? What part of the world? When is it occurring? Did it happen last month? Did it happen in January? Is it still happening? Why is this happening? Why are they writing an article about this? What happened, right? And why did it happen? Once you've summarized it in at least 6 sentences, if you write who, what, where, when, why, that's 5 sentences. You should be able to come up with at least 6 sentences to describe what the article you read was about. Pretend you are explaining it to someone else and they have not read it at all, and you need to tell them all of the important details and facts of the article. Then you're going to make a list of 3 enduring issues that you can connect this article to. Right? I linked the top 10 enduring issues right here, so you can go through them and connect, make a list of the 3 that you see. Oh, look, spread of disease works here. Also, scarcity of resources. I also could probably connect impact of technology. Once you have the 3, once you've identified 3, choose one you feel really confident about writing about and write it here and define it. Right, so that's steps 1 through 4. I expect you to get that done in today's block. Step 5, we will do together on Friday, where you're going to try and, now that you've identified what the issue is in the article you read, I need you to connect it to 2 things we studied this year. So on Classroom, there is a huge review topic, right? And this review topic has all the important materials you would need to help you complete that chart, right? So once you know what the issue is, then you're going to do some research. Hey, if I'm doing impact of technology, maybe I'm going to connect it to the Tang and Song dynasties in China. They're the ones that developed all those awesome technologies. Okay? Once you've identified the 2 civilizations you were going to connect to, you're going to complete this chart. What's the civilization? What's the important vocabulary? How the civilization was impacted by your enduring issue, right? And then how it connects to the current event. What are the similarities? Number 7, you're going to make something creative to share your issue and your evidence. You can use WeVideo and make a little documentary or a discussion. You just record yourself. You can make Google Slides to show off what the issue was and use images and text to show me the connection between how all these different civilizations dealt with the issue. You can use Flipgrid and record yourself. You can use Sutori. You can make it a cartoon using Powtoons. Any of those are fine, right? So it is going to be 30 points doubled, right? So it's a 60-point assignment. Here is your calendar. So today, Wednesday, June 2nd, you are to complete steps 1 through 4. All right, there will be an exit ticket posted at the end of class. Make sure you get that done. That is the first thing I'm going to be looking at and asking you about on Friday, June 4th. I am going to be, my expectation for Friday, June 4th is that you have an article that you have summarized and identified the enduring issue in, so that we can have a discussion about potential places to connect your issue to. Right? If you want to go further than that and start on 5 and 6 before conferencing with me, that's great. You have to submit your planning page by Tuesday, June 8th, and then your final project on Friday, June 11th. If you have any questions, I think Mrs. Mahalski is going to pop in and just check on you guys and see if you need anything. But other than that, you can email me with your questions, right? Please, after you've watched this video, make sure that you do all the steps 1 through 4 in the project planning page, and then you complete this checkout Go Formative exit ticket tomorrow. All right, have a great day, guys.